Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or should I say welcome to the channel if you are a new member here. I am Nakul Bageja, and today we are going to start the development of a new application using React Native. This is an e-commerce application, as you have seen many e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart and many more that are there. We are going to develop a e-commerce platform for our own for this channel. So if you're excited, do hit the subscribe button, as I can see many people have watched over 300 hours of my videos, but they are still not subscribed. So do subscribe. It does give me a lot of motivation to keep developing these applications and give it to them, so that you can use them for any freelancing projects or any learning projects that you're doing in your college or in your free time, as you can develop these skills. So let us get started with this e-commerce platform. Alright guys, so as we have done before in our previous project, I will let you go through the PPT that I've created, which has all the content, all the packages, all the reasons why you should follow this application on my channel and make this application. As you can see over here, we have our mobile emulator, and I've already developed a demo for you guys that what you will develop. This is the whole application where you can see all the different items, ranging from different TVs, electronics, clothes, jewelry, and etc. We also have a search bar over here through which we can search any item rather than going from one category to another. Alright, other things will come ahead as you go along with the playlist. Let me go through the PPT and tell you why you should create this e-commerce application. This e-commerce application will be very beneficial for you, as you will develop many things. So let me showcase you what you will learn. First, we'll go through the basics, like how to implement stack and tabs navigation, how we can integrate Firebase to this React Native application, Redux, dynamic search bar that I just showed you, and custom tabs over here that we have custom tabs. Alright, the next will be the share button. If you want to share a particular item, as you do on Amazon or Flipkart and many other e-commerce applications, that you want to share a particular item to your friend through WhatsApp and an email, you can do that. I will showcase you how we can develop that particular button. We will also create a real-time payment portal, and which will make use of the current location of the particular user. So you will create a real-time payment portal for your application through React Native, and also we will create a chatbot through which you can talk to any customer care. As you have seen, every e-commerce platform has a customer care assistance. So that will also we will develop in this application. So let us begin with the application, and you can see why this is beneficial. You can use this project for your any hackathon, for any client that you have for freelancing, and any school project or college project that you have, and everyone will be damn impressed with what you have developed. So let us begin. Alright, now that you have seen the PPT and the demo, you know that what is going to happen is for real. If you are stuck anywhere, you can contact me on my Telegram, email, LinkedIn. I'm available for you guys. If you want help in any other project of yours, you can also contact me, and we can book a one-on-one session, and we can get that application completed, and you can show that to your new employer or any old professor or new professor. Now let us get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.